Hi guys, welcome back to Trevor Mower Mechanic. Today we've picked up another little mower, pretty good one. Someone's thrown it out. Haven't really had much to look at it. I'll just put it on the bench here, so let's check it out. Another little Victor, 4-stroke. Body and everything's in a really good condition. The engine's a 163cc or close enough to 5 horsepower. They've ripped the air filter off. It's got no handle on it. The handle's past missing, but I've got one of those. The blade carrier is off it, but brand new blades, never been used. It makes you wonder why they've taken it off. Haven't really had a look underneath yet, so go and check that out. Let's have a look and see what's going on under here. Okay, so there's our problem. They've broken the blade carrier off. Must have been trying to get it off or something, and they've snapped it off. I think I've got one of those over here somewhere. Let's have a look. Yeah. There we go guys, that's what it's supposed to look like. They've broken this off. Must have been belting it or something to try and get that off. So we need to replace that. But yeah, pretty clean and tidy underneath it. So we need to do that before we can actually see whether it's going to run. That may come off fairly easy, that one. That's what happens when you go bashing things with hammers. You end up breaking something. Okay guys, let's put the air hammer on that and just see if we can get it off. There's our air hammer here. I'm going to put a bolt in there and we'll hit it and see if it comes off. So we're just going to take out a little bolt with a dib in it. Just going to put that in there like that. Yeah, try and take the hand off. And there we go. Tighten that in now, so that one off. Take the bolt out. And there we go guys, that's how you get them off. Use an air hammer. Don't sit there bashing them until you bust them. So now we've got another one here. There we go. We've now got that one there on there. So now we put the blades on. Got to have weight on it before we can actually try and start it. Okay, let's line that back up. Don't fall off there. want it to slide away. Just got to get this lined up in here, onto there. And I just break that out. Okay guys, so there we go, there's that bit. We've got that back on. So the next trick is we'll put some car spray into the carburetor and see if we can get the fire up. Make sure that's in there right. That's all good. We'll sit it down. Okay guys, so I'm just going to take a bit of car spray. We're going to shoot it in down here. Now, these Briggs engines have a square body carburetor on them. They have been a pain in the rear end ever since they come out. What it is the main jet in there. It's only a little plastic cylinder. I'll see if I've got one here. Here I've got one. At the moment. So as I was saying guys, these carburetors here, they have a little plastic cartridge in them. The main jet is on top of the little cartridge and the hole is way too small. So what you've got to tend to do is drill that out a little bit to fix the issue. But at the moment we're going to see if this runs. That should be fuel switch, that should be choke up there. Okay guys, let's see if we can start. See if it'll at least kick. So there we go guys, we know it'll fire up, but just in those few seconds that it's running, it is vibrating really bad. So could have a bent crankshaft or something else underneath there that's not right. Now when I put that blade boss back on there, I think I might have cracked it, so maybe there is something wrong under there, but that must have been the reason they threw this good mower away, because they bugged the blade system up on it. The motor seemed to be run okay. Wasn't the motor doing anything. It's just a vibration underneath. That's why I shut it off and the blades were hitting. So that makes an indication that the blade carrier or the boss is out of balance. Something's out of balance underneath. So we'll have to dig a bit further and have a look. But I think once we fix that guys, put our handle on, hook our cable up, this will be a good mower. Got the catcher for it. So someone's just thrown it away because they've stuffed it up themselves. Probably went out and bought a new battery one or something. Okay guys, our little Victor Mower sorted the issues out on that one. The blades were out of balance. It had more weight on one side of the plate than the other. Too many washers under there, so I sorted that out. Done a carby clean. Only done that because I didn't know what was in or anything like that. So I've done a carby clean, cleaned the fuel tank out. Had it all changed, new spark plug put in it. We've got a new air filter sitting here. We're just waiting for the air filter cover to come. So yeah, other than that, it's ready to go. Runs really well. I'll fire him up in a second for you to have a listen. This particular mower with this brand engine on it, they retail for about $990. So in this condition, it's got to be worth a couple hundred on it. Starts easy, runs really well. So I'll give you a listen now. So yes, it runs really nice and smooth here on this particular one. So guys, sometimes if you don't know what you're doing, you better leave them alone. Especially, you know, you're trying to do something yourself, you end up buggering them up, and then they go out and have to buy a new mower like these people did. Now, this mower is probably only, 18 months, 2 years old, if that. An expensive mower, just to be stuffed up. But anyway, it's all back going again now. So we'll wait for our air filter cover and then we'll flog it off. Thanks for watching guys. Keep your eyes open for them.